How to fix Crunchyroll Subtitles delete issues. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to fix it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you're using the Crunchyroll app, your app might need an update sometimes. So in order to update the app, you need to go to your Play Store and search for Crunchyroll. Open up its app space, and over here, you can see this open button. Sometimes, instead of this open button, you might see the option of update. You can simply tap on the update option to update the Crunchyroll app accordingly. So if your app is already updated, the next method to fix the subtitles delayed is you need to clear the cache memory of the Crunchyroll. So tap and hold on this Crunchyroll app icon. Now tap on this information icon over here. Scroll down to the bottom and select the storage option. Now at the bottom right corner, you can see the clear cache option. Tap on it. The cache memory of the Crunchyroll app is cleared now. Along with this, you can go back, and here you can see the battery section. Tap on it. You can even try to set this to unrestricted. After doing all these, if it still doesn't fix your issues, you can consider to delete the Crunchyroll app and reinstall it again. That should be fixing your Crunchyroll subtitles delay problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.